it's Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the CVS ad preview for next week. These deals are going to start December 22nd and go through December 28th. So hopefully we get some really good CRTs. I know we've been getting some good paper product and food CRTs lately. So hopefully those CRTs will help some of these deals be a little bit better. It is a slower week, like I said in my Walgreens ad, for both Walgreens and CVS. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner and hit that notification tab so you don't miss out on any upcoming deals or ad previews. So let's go ahead and dive into next week's ads. So we have BOGO Chocolate, Ghirardelli, and Lindor. Buy one, get one half off. Same for Ferrero Rocher. There is a coupon that I believe is still valid for the larger packets of Ferrero Rocher. Buy two, get a $10 extra buck for designer fragrances. And this ad preview is from ladysavings.com. So if you guys want to double check and take a look at these deals again, if there's one that you saw that I kind of breezed over, you guys can go on that website. I just Google CVS ad preview, and that's how I'm able to show this with you guys. Buy one, get one half off for Revlon. The current week is definitely a lot better. It's spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. Maybelline, any Maybelline is buy two, get a 4. L'Oreal Cosmetics, spend 15, get 5. It is a shorter ad as well. Usually it's like 16 pages. It's only 8 pages. So that just shows you right there too how much of a slower week it's going to be. Kit Kat and Reese's take 5, 2 for $2. Not the best deal at Walgreens. We have them for the current week, 79 cents for Kit Kat Duos. And there is a 79-cent off 2 coupon, so it's 2 for 79 cents. So it's a better deal at Walgreens this week. More candy deals. Holiday Hershey Kisses, 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a 2. Makes it $2 each. Buy one, get one half off American Home by Yankee Candle. Let's see. Puffs Ultra Soft, $1.24. 25 cents send to card coupon. So I think that means the final total is $1.24. I'm not sure. Walgreens, it is 94 cents because it's $1.24 with the 25-cent off coupon. So it would be a better deal if that's the case at Walgreens. This right here is not a bad deal. Spend 20, get a $5 extra buck on paper products. It's the Charmin Ultra 6 Mega Roll or the Bounty Essentials 4 giant rolls. So what you would do is you would buy 3 of them. You want to at least buy 1 Charmin and 1 Bounty. Your third item is up to you. There's a $1 off digital coupon for the Charmin, a $1 off digital coupon for the Bounty. If you have 2 off 8 paper towel or paper products CRT, you can actually use 2 of those because your total is $20.98. So if you use 2 of those, that only equals $16 of threshold you have to hit. So you would be able to use 2 of the 2 off 8. So that would make them, I believe, $3.34 each. So not a bad deal. It's about half off. Lysol, buy one, get one half off. Not the best deal. They were buy one, get one free at Walgreens. On to some snack deals. Nothing's still really popping out. $2.99 for Doritos. Not horrible. If you have a $1 off for Doritos, you'd pick up 2 of those. Final cost would be $5 or $2.50 each. DiGiorno. So this is a really good deal on DiGiorno, especially if you have the 5 off 3 digital coupon still, if it's still valid on your account. So these are 2 for $11. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. So right there, it's 2 for $9. You can use $1.50 off 1 coupons from the 12/8. I think it was Retail Me Not. I'll have to double check, and it will be in my must-do deals because this is definitely a must-do deal. So you can use $1.50 off 1 for both of them. It's going to be a super, super cheap deal for some DiGiorno pizza, the Rising Crust. They usually have cheese and Supreme, just depends on your location and what your store carries. This over here, it's a little cut off. It's for the Oreos or the Lorna Doone, which I've never even heard of. But they're going to be just $1 each. So that would be a pretty good food deal as well. A lot of us have gotten the 2 off 8 snack food or 3 off 10 food. So for this DiGiorno deal, you could use that 3 off 10. Or if you wanted to get, 2 Doritos and get some of these cookies as well, that would be a pretty good deal. I'm going to have a couple food scenarios in the must-do deals because that's going to be some of the best deals for next week because it is so slow. That paper product deal I will definitely have posted for you guys as well. Free beauty bag, 6-piece with, where do you get that? When you spend $30 on any cosmetics. So they have the same deal going on right now. The better week to do that is probably the current week because there's a lot better deals where you're going to get extra bucks back as well. So I would recommend doing that this week if you're wanting to get that beauty bag. Then you could even turn around and give that beauty bag as a gift to someone. It comes in a cute little silver bag, and they have different beauty products, masks, hair masks, things like that inside. So that would be a cute gift as well, and you would get it for free. Kiss eyelashes, spend 15, get 6. Milani, buy one, get one half off. Rimmel is a good deal. It's the same deal this week. Spend 12, get an $8 extra buck. So if you have a 3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, you can combine that as well. Final cost is going to be just $1 for, 1 or 2 products, whatever you get to hit that $12 threshold. Limit of, I think that's a 3. It's a little cut off, so I'm not quite sure. Have to wait until the full ad does come out. And my computer froze. Okay, next page. Okay, let's see if we get some good stuff here. So, designer fragrances, again, buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. Soft soap is a good deal. Buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. We've seen this deal time and time again. It's the exact same deal. They like to run it quite often. If you can print the 75-cent off 1 coupons from softsoap.com, that makes it even better. I printed mine a while ago and they have not reset, so I'm not able to print those. I do have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT. You're going to want to pair that as well to make it a really good deal. Nivea body wash. I actually am using this now and I really like it because it's not super perfumey. So it's a really nice light scent. They are only $3.99. Regularly, I think they are $5.99, so that's $2 off right there. If you have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT, you could use that. Final cost would be $6 for 2 or just $3 each. So not a bad deal if you're brand loyal or if you want to get some, Nivea Men for a cute little gift basket for your husband or a brother, anything like that. That would be kind of cute. 2 for $10, Gillette and Old Spice. I would stay away from that. That's super expensive. And body wash at CVS does not count for beauty. Body wash at Walgreens does count for beauty. So there are some things that are a little different. Sometimes it gets a little confusing. Oral care. I know we've been getting a ton of good oral care deals where we've been getting free toothpaste or money makers. So nothing really going on this week, which is fine. We should be all stocked up on toothpaste for a little while. Any Chic razors, refills, disposables, edge, or Skintimate shave gel. Spend $25, get a $10 extra buck. That could probably be a good deal. I've been getting some like $3 off Chic Hydro Silk, $3 off Chic Hydro Silk 5, things like that, different CRTs. So that could be a pretty good deal to put together. Nothing else really too crazy. You buy Kotex, buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. There are the limits. The liners, it's 40 to 50 count. Pads, 14 to 15 count. So those little tiny liners that we usually get for $1.79 each, that would not count towards that $2 extra buck promo. And we're on to the cough and cold. Still nothing too crazy going on. Miralax, spend 20, get 5. CVS Health External Pain Relief, spend 30, get 10. And we're already on the last page here. Buy one, get one, 50% off on CVS Health Vitamins. So this is a really good deal here. Spend $30 on select products, get a $10 extra buck. So Tide is included. This is the really large bottle. This is not the typical 37 to 40 ounce. This is the 92 to 100 ounce. Gain is included as well, and the really, really large Unstoppables. Neutrogena, Clean and Clear. I do have a Clean and Clear CRT actually, so I might add that in there. I'll try to do a couple scenarios for you guys. Huggies is included as well. Buy one, get one half off. Same with the pull-ups, good nights, or the wipes. So I will see what kind of things I can put together for you guys, and they'll be in my must-do deals for next week. Make sure you still at least go to the Redbox next week and print out your coupons. That way you guys can use that. Hopefully we'll have some better deals and some great insert coupons for the new year. If you guys have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.